Hi guys, I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July right here. This little bag costs $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products with a retail value of at least $120 or more. And in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and unbag it for you guys and show you the options that I had to choose from. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited for today's video because I haven't filmed a video in over a week and I really missed you guys. I did post a quick update on my community tab. In case you guys haven't seen that, I'll just let you know really quickly. The reason why I haven't posted is I wear contact lenses or glasses. I've had contacts since I was 15, glasses since I was 5, so I really cannot see anything unless I have something going on to help me see. And I ordered my new contacts about 3 weeks ago, I think now. Yeah. And they were really late, and about a week or so ago, a week and a half ago, I was filming a video, and in the middle of it, one of my contacts ripped, and it was my last pair. So for some reason, USPS lost my contacts order. I still don't have it. I went ahead and placed a new order, and basically I have glasses right now. I can't see, so I'm trying to look here in the camera, but I cannot see anything. So I do have my glasses. I'm gonna attempt to wear them today. I'm sorry if they bother you, like if there's a glare. I tried to move the light so that it wouldn't be too distracting, but it was really hard, so just bear with me. So I'm gonna wear these glasses because I have to kind of see what I'm doing and show you guys what I have going on. Like, see, before I put these on, I could not see colors around me, but anyway, but that's just a little update. That's the reason why I haven't posted like any tutorials. I have so many things to create tutorials for. I have so much makeup that I've received that I ordered either, or like from my subscription boxes, tutorials that I have planned out that I can't do them because I can't see what I'm doing when I do my makeup. To do today's makeup, I had to like sit in front of the beauty mirror with all the lights, like my face right up on it. And yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to say that the regular upload schedule will resume very soon. As soon as my contacts arrive, I'll get back to all the tutorials that I miss so much. I have a lot of makeup tutorials coming soon and reviews and all of that, so stay tuned and let's go ahead and get into what today's video is about, which is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July. And this month's theme for Ipsy is Stay Golden. This is the little card right here. Stay Golden, that's cute. I actually really like the bag this month. This is what it looks like. So you have your typical drawstring bag for the Glam Bag Plus, but the design I think is really cute. You have like a sun with the eye in the middle and it's blue, and it says Stay Golden. I think it's really cute and simple. A lot of the times the Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses or the Ipsy Glam Bags are for some people kind of childish. Not for me, I don't really mind, but I feel like this is a pretty nice bag that everyone can enjoy because it's not over the top. I really like it. So first I'm going to share the 2 items that Ipsy chose for me. And if you didn't know, with the Glam Bag Plus, you're able to customize 3 out of your 5 items. And I always share the options that I had to choose from each of those 3 items. But the first item that Ipsy chose for me is the Hip Dot Sun Goddess Face Palette right here, which is actually bigger than I expected it to be. For some reason, I'm used to like palettes in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus being extremely tiny and small. This is what the packaging looks like, really cute. And according to the Ipsy app, which I have open right here, this retails for $18, and it is a blush and highlighter palette. Ooh, first of all, it has a mirror, which I love when these kinds of palettes bring mirrors, and it's so pretty. I actually was not expecting to enjoy it right away as much as I am at the moment, and I can't believe that they chose this for me themselves. So oh, okay, so that looks like, is that like a bronzer or a blush? Well, it does say here this is a blush and highlighter palette, so I'm guessing this very like burnt orange, almost red shade is supposed to be a blush, which I guess you can kind of get to. I'm gonna swatch it. I don't know, it just looks a little bit intimidating to me at the moment, but I'm gonna swatch it and see how it swatches because I'm used to more like pink tone blushes or coral tone blushes, and this seems very red orange, but let me swatch it. Okay, so here's the swatch. It looks very intense. I was trying to make it nice and not messy, but that's what you get. I do think it's really more red than I expected it to be, but for some strange reason I'm very excited to try it out because I've never tried this kind of a shade before. But I will say something. I know that this kind of a shade might be perfect for people with darker skin tones, and it makes me happy because Ipsy for the most part will always have like the lightest blushes that that don't work for everyone. So I think that might be really cool to include something that's different. And if that shade doesn't work for you as a blush, you can definitely use it as a shadow. And as far as Hip Dot goes, I've tried 2 of their eyeshadow palettes before and I really enjoy their formula. This is my first like any kind of other product that's not an eyeshadow palette from them, and I really like the way that it looks. The highlighters are so pretty. Those 2 lighter shades are these 2 right here. They're really pretty. And even like the sort of corally I guess blush highlighter, I'm not sure which one to categorize it as, is really pretty. And for some reason I really want to try this, but maybe on a day that I'm not actually filming, that I'm just or going anywhere, just to see before I go anywhere, just try it on my cheeks and see what happens, because I don't know, I've never tried a blush like that before and I think it's really interesting. But that was the first item that Ipsy chose for me and I'm very happy with it. Okay guys, so the next item that Ipsy chose for me is the Tarte Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. And this is the packaging right here, really tiny. And it retails for $16. And it says that this lip mask gives lips a huge hit of hydration thanks to hyaluronic acid and vegan squalene. Together, these ingredients draw moisture to your lips and lock that moisture in for up to 12 hours. And I like it. I love Tarte. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what it smells like. That's my favorite thing about these kinds of products. Let's see. Okay, so, oh, it's thicker than I expected it to be. That's what it looks like. I like this shade because it looks like it will be pretty neutral, like not like a red or something that's pretty nice to wear throughout the day. And now let's see how it melts into the skin. It feels very thick. Okay, so it is it doesn't feel like a gloss, but it doesn't feel like a mask. How do I explain it? It feels thick but not too thick, but it's also not too thin or too like it's not sticky. I mean, it feels hydrating. How do I explain it? It's not like sticky to where you feel like things will be sticking to it. It smells lovely. I don't know how to explain the smell, but it smells really nicely, and I think I can definitely see myself wearing this like throughout the day. I really love it. I actually really love it. The scent is more of a like baked goods scent. A lot of the other like lip masks that I have are more like tropical scented. This smells more almost like cookie or cake, I don't know, something like that. I like it. That smells really good, and I'm actually excited to try this out because I like lip masks for overnight, but I'm so strange and I'm picky at nighttime because I don't like feeling like I have something that has some sort of flavor or anything when I'm sleeping. So I actually prefer to wear this like throughout the day when I'm cooking or just doing my chores, you know, whatever I'm doing throughout my day. This will be nice to wear throughout the day. So I really like that. Okay guys, so those were the 2 items that Ipsy chose for me, and we already started great. I was so happy that they chose those 2 things for me, and now we're going to get into the choices. So for my first product, I had some great choices. The options that I had were the Zoe Ayla Rose Gold Barrel Brush, the Cella Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette, Juice Beauty Prebiotics Instant Flash Facial, the Lifestyle Company Botanical Beach Mist After Sun Spray, also the Half Caked Your Eyes Only Palette, Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And honestly, I was so impressed as I've been recently with Ipsy. I really was really happy with all the choices they had for me, and I kind of had a hard time choosing because I really love Half Caked Beauty's lip products, and I really wanted to try that shadow palette, but I feel like I have a lot of those shades already. And to be honest, something that I noticed this month specifically, if you guys watch my channel, like my unboxings, I'm obsessed with eyeshadow palettes, and I've been subscribed to both Ipsy and BoxyCharm ever since actually a year this month. July was my first box, so it's actually like my anniversary, I guess. And the whole past year, all I wanted was eyeshadow palettes. Like if I didn't get a palette, I would be so upset. And I think I've gotten to the point where I think I have enough now. Like I love palettes and I still want them. Like if there's a new palette, you better give me that in my box. But for some reason, I think I'm at the point where maybe I'll start reaching for different products, which I'm very surprised by. So I did choose a palette, and this month for the most part I chose palettes, but I realized that from now on maybe I need to branch out and try out different products because I have enough palettes. So with that being said, I did choose the Cella Divine Purpose Eyeshadow Palette. This is the packaging, really cute. I got a tiny little palette from them last year from Ipsy, and I like their formula. And I don't know, for some reason I love the whole people are kind of sick of it, but I love the whole like neutral with a pop of blue. I like that. So, and that blue was calling my name, so I can't wait to see what it actually looks like in person. So according to Ipsy, this retails for $35. This is the size of the palette. Really cute palette, honestly. I like the color. Like the whole packaging is bright. And when you open it up, you have a mirror, and this is the color story. And I'm gonna take off this plastic, but here it says daily reminder, it's within us all. I don't know if you can see that. So here's the color story. You get a total of 8 shadows in here. So you have some neutrals, that beautiful pop of blue, and like this gold. Well, you have 3 shimmers, but that gold is really the one that in my opinion stands out the most. The blue is a matte blue, which looks so interesting, and I really cannot wait to play with this. I really was hoping my contacts would arrive with this bag like the same day, because I really wanted to use this for today's makeup, but hopefully I can play with it soon, like for a video. I'm not gonna touch it until I can do a tutorial for you guys. But I really love the blue. I love the shimmers, and this dark brown, almost black. Actually, it looks like it's black. I think it is black right here. Oh my god, to make everything smoky. I am so excited for this palette. I think it's so cute. And one of the things I love the most about Ipsy is that they really like support smaller brands that in my opinion have amazing formulas. Some of the brands that I've found through Ipsy, their formulas are better than higher like high-end brands that I've tried before, but you don't hear a lot about them. So I love like discovering their brands through Ipsy. But that was the first item that I chose, and now let's get to the next one. Okay guys, so for my second product, my second customizable product, I had the choice of the Oriza Ombre Blusher in South Beach, Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Unattached, MOTD Cosmetics Gold Goddess Face Brush Set, and the Dr. Eve Rayoth Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Hydra Bright Night something. I guess serum, something like that. So those were my options. And again, I was really impressed because you have mostly makeup. There was no way I wasn't going to choose the Fenty lip paint, because I've been wanting to try that for a while, but I just cannot pay the real price, the retail value of it. I just think it's way too expensive. But that blush looks so pretty. I enjoy MOTD Cosmetics brushes, so I really wanted to pick that too, but I needed to go ahead, of course, and choose the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Unattached. And guys, this is huge. I was expecting this to be like a lip gloss, but this packaging feels almost like it's like one of their primers. So let's take a look. I'm so excited. It retails for $25, and that's what I mean. I've been wanting to try this for so long, but I just couldn't justify the $25 because I didn't know if I would use it a lot. But this feels so luxurious. It feels heavy right off the bat, like glass. I think it is glass. I think the bottle is glass. It feels almost like a nail polish packaging. Like, it feels like it's almost like nail polish, but either way, it just feels really luxurious. And the color, I'm so excited. Doesn't smell like anything special, but the applicator does seem a little different to me. See, I don't know how to describe it, but it's different. Now let's go ahead and swatch it. Wow, that's intense. Okay, so this one is the one that's like coral, not even is it showing up really pink? It is pink, but with a coral tinge to it. That is really pretty and extremely pigmented. Now that I smell it like here on my hand, it smells almost like sweet. It's not like a bad smell, not at all actually. It's a really pleasant smell, but I think it's really pretty and intense, and I actually love it. Oh my gosh, I think it would be perfect to create with that first palette that I just showed you guys, like a smoky look with a pop of blue, like a very hidden pop of blue somewhere, and then this on the lips. I think will be so pretty, and I don't know, just my style for days that I really want to like be glammed up. It smells nice actually. $25. I am so happy with this product because again, I really been wanting to try it for a long time, but I couldn't really justify the price. But that was the second customizable product, and let's get to the last product in my bag. Okay, so for the last and final product in my bag, I had the option of choosing the Beauty For Real Golden Hour Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette, Hanalei Company Lip Treatment in Sand, Basic Beauty Bronzy AF Palette, and the Pearlie's Beauty Blush Glow BB Cheek Color in Vivid Coral. And again, amazing choices. I was really stunned because these are the kind of choices that I've been begging for, and the last 3 months Ipsy's been doing amazing with my choices. So I was really happy. I really wanted to try that bronzer palette because I've been obsessed with bronzer. I tried out the e.l.f. cream bronzer recently, which I have a review on if you guys want to check it out if you haven't yet. And ever since I tried that, I've been obsessed. And there's some new bronzers that are releasing that I'm definitely going to get, because for some reason it just, I don't know, I'm obsessed with bronzer at the moment. And everything else looks really nice, but I had to try that palette because I follow Beauty For Real on Instagram, and they've been posting like little clips of it, and I will get major FOMO if I didn't choose it. Even though like both of these palettes, I'm going to compare them, but online, at least on the pictures, they look so similar, but I couldn't choose like either or. I needed both of them. But either way, this is the Beauty For Real Golden Hour Mango Butter eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging. I think it looks so pretty and just like really pretty to look at. I enjoy it. Reminds me sort of, oh yeah, it's like water, I guess. Yeah, like vacation, which I cannot wait to go like travel internationally to Dominican Republic. I would love to go to Dominican Republic right now and wear this palette over there. Okay, so when you open it up, it does have a mirror too, which I love. And this color story, oh my god, is so dreamy. This is what you get. So this is what it looks like. It's so dreamy. You have a total of 8 shadows in here. And with this one, unlike the other, you have 3 mattes and 5 shimmers. The other one you had, I believe 3 shimmers and 5 mattes. Yes, and this retails for $36. And it's my first palette from the brand Beauty For Real. But the products that I've tried from them, I think I really enjoyed. I've enjoyed them so far. A difference with this and the other one, the blue in this palette is actually a shimmer, where the other one is a matte. But when I was picking my items, they really reminded me of each other, but I just really had to try them. This is really pretty. You do have like a rosy, this one looks like almost like dual shifty here, like rosy, oh, with some hints of like purple. And then this one here is also rosy. I don't know, they just look, their shimmers are really, really pretty. That blue is calling my name, and I really want to hold them side by side. Okay, I really wanted to compare these two in case you guys are shopping on Ipsy and you want to know like which one you want. This is what they look like. You have the Beauty For Real on top and the Cella Beauty on the bottom. So the Cella is more of like a like I guess a little bit more cool tone, but I'm not an expert on that. So, but as you can see, you have more shimmers going on in the Beauty For Real on top, and that's what they look like. I do think that they're different, which makes me excited that to have both. I don't see them being the same, except for the fact that they have neutrals and then they have a blue somewhere, but the blue is a matte down here and a shimmer up here. So, but that's what they look like. And guys, that was the last item in my bag. Just to recap, for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July, I got these 2 beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I got Stunner Lip Paint from Fenty Beauty, Hip Dot blush and highlighter palette, and I also got this lip mask from Tarte, which I think is amazing. I am very pleased with my bag this month, and I cannot wait to create tutorials with these products right here, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'll take them off for the last bit because I don't have to read anything, just in case that was bothering you guys. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I am so happy with everything that I got in my bag. I cannot wait to create tutorials. Thank you for being patient with my uploads. I really hope that my contacts arrive soon because I have a lot of cool makeup to try out. But either way, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments, what did you get for your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month? Did you get all your subscription boxes delivered yet? What's going on with you this month? I hope you're all having a lovely day today, and I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.